How to filter data in n8n. So to filter data, you first need to head over to your workflow. I have here my trigger, which is a scheduled trigger. From in there, click on this plus icon. Then click on the search nodes and search in here for filter. We have in here this. So let's click on this right here. So once you have added filter, you can add in your specific conditions. I'll choose right here the values. For example, if the day of the week is equal to Monday, then what this will do is it will actually become true. So let's head back to our canvas, and this will filter the schedule for that. And you can click onto this plus icon in order to add specific actions if this filter is correct. So this will do is it will actually just execute this schedule on specific days that we have indicated under this filter. So you can proceed to add the module that will happen into this. Like for example, if you want to send a message through your Gmail on specific days, then you can actually set it as like that for yourself as well. So here is what it will look like. You can proceed to execute this workflow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.